Okay, we are here at the Canoe Lake access point 5. Got our permits. We got Kev.
Hello.
Raj.
Chuck Norris.
Chuck Norris, aka Nate.
Or Nick.
And myself. There we go. We are about to venture on a journey for 15 days, 14 nights.
To the center of the earth.
Yeah, to the center of the earth. No, to
by canoe.
Cedar Lake and back.
What about that dinosaur spray?
And it should be a trip to remember. Any last words, boys?
Hope it doesn't snow.
Hope it doesn't snow.
It's been a weird year this year.
Die.
Hope the bugs die.
Yeah, it's the main concern.
We hope the bugs die. Overcast day. Not too bad temp, but 20 degrees.
We're going backwards now.
See on the lake. We stopped here at Tom Thompson's cairn on Canoe Lake. We're just gonna go and check it out. Going up some rocks here. Kevin's up there. The bugs are bad in here. Oh, there's Kevin going up the rocks there.
Taking a video down there is good.
Yeah. Here it is. A cairn dedicated to
1877.
Tom Thompson. And they this totem pole. I'm not sure what the deal is with the totem pole. Please do not deface. The bugs are bad. We came in bug season, but yeah, we're getting the full experience here. In the full bug suit here. Well, not a full bug suit, just the body. But got the face part out. Kevin's still braving it for now. No bug suit. Got our life preservers on. This is definitely to show our wives that even on shore, we have it on in case we tumble down the big cliff there and end up in the drink. We might be knocked out, but we'll float. The following poem was written by Frank Bach to describe the meaning of each part of Tom Thompson's totem pole.
Isn't that funny?
We'll just film that here. You can pause it at home and read it. Unless you can read faster than I can, then you can just read it. I'm not going to read it to you, sorry. I'm just going to videotape it. And you can pause the video and read it. Day 1, we're on our way to Joe Lake East Arm. Oh, here comes the troops.
A couple of hammers.
Here comes the troops. There's a little steep little hill. Steep little climb.
There's an outhouse up here.
Got the bug gear on.
Oh yeah, really need it.
You do in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you need the bug
No
gear.
bugs.
Kevin says no bugs. They're flying around the camera as we speak. Oh, there's one trying to bite my
Kevin
finger.
has natural bug repellent.
Yeah, he's a natural stuff.
I didn't have a shower.
Raj got the bug suit on, but he's sporting his shorts. Nothing on his legs.
Yeah. Nope. No
But
need.
yeah, Kevin's still no bug suit yet.
Portage here at Cedar Lake. Gonna see what we're portaging around. It's the first portage of the trip.
So just dropped the canoe off. back there. See Kevin going back there? Got the first pack. We decided to do the first couple of days doing double carries until our food pack gets a little lighter. It's extremely heavy. Here comes Roger and Nate coming down doing the tandem carry. And not sure if they have their packs, but they do have the canoe. And how goes the tandem carry? Is that all your gear and everything one shot?
Yeah.
Not bad.
A little dangly.
Yeah, no, that's pretty good. There's a lot of different ways to do it. They have they're using a hammock as a cargo net to hold all their gear in. It's not a bad idea. Just to show you the extent of the bugs here.
I just want to be a beekeeper when I grow up.
Showing you the bugs.
Do mosquitoes produce anything that's sweet and tasty?
Oh, but
My blood's so sweet.
What's today, June 8th? June something, right?
just see the bugs. The bugs. I don't know, something but they like them.
Yeah. There we go.
Fresh
Tasty
meat.
blood.
All right. So this is our put in, and we're gonna put in. Bugs are bad. So we are at our first campsite. We've been here for a couple hours, and yeah, this is it. It's not bad. Got a tent there. It's Kev. Got our bug tent set up. Nate's cooking in there. I'll tell you why he's cooking in there, or show you.
Bugs are joining me for dinner.
The bugs in here are just absolutely incredible. Roger's an anomaly. I mean, he's got no bug gear on to speak of right now. And yeah, sporting the short sleeves. He's just rocking it. Got our tent down there, red one. Yeah, and this is their setup. The little tent there is like, I don't know, 2-man coffin setup. Like we all, Roger, you had dinner. What'd you have for dinner, Raj?
Rice with some dried veg that I just kind of put some boiled water in, and that's about it. A little bit of oil.
Some red wine.
Some red wine.
What'd you have, Kev, for dinner?
I had my lunch.
Had his lunch for dinner. Couple of small barley sandwiches and a
Yeah.
Cliff Bar. I had Uncle Ben's rice, the Mexican one, with some Hungarian sausage chopped up and cooked in it. Some red wine. It was decent.
Can't really see it with that.
We came in the tent around 9 to get away from the mosquitoes and black flies, but we thought going in the tent would work. Take a look at Kevin's eye here. Holy mother of pearl. There's no seams are in our tent. They are everywhere. And these little guys, when they bite, they spit.
They cut you open and spit there.
Yeah, they spit venom in. I think that Kevin has an allergy to these bites because
Here's my finger.
yeah.
And that's why they're getting through the screen, because they're so damn tiny.
Yeah, they get near the screen. It's but yeah, it's bad. I had to put, you see, I'm in the tent. I got leather gloves on, full on bug suit.
We're getting like bit every minute, basically.
Yeah,
Put it that way.
It's like torture.
Every minute I'm getting a fresh
This is
bite.
in our tent. I mean, outside's worse. But we came here for refuge, and we have refuge from the black flies and the mosquitoes, but anyhow, we're gonna have a little chat about this because 2 weeks to this? I don't know. We haven't started scratching yet. We know from the past history that after a couple days, all those little cuts, they get irritated, and then you get into the scratching, and then the scratches get scabbed, and you know, we don't want them to get infected. And I mean, Kevin's eye is swollen now. I don't know what's gonna happen in a couple of days, but so we're gonna discuss this. Probably go outside in a minute and talk to the other boys. Maybe, I'm not sure what to do, or to call them over. I'm not sure what to do, but we'll keep you posted and we'll get back to you.